What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing Martin Luther King Day. This is a super under-the-wire video because it is currently Martin Luther King Day for me. I was going through a lot of my old videos recently, and I found this one that's right here, if you want to check it out. And I was announcing this new series that I was going to do, and it was basically going through all of Greenbit's company values and explaining why they exist and why those are really just my personal values and what those mean to me and how they help guide me through life. I realized I never did that. Never released a single video on that. And so I wanted to bring those back. So I thought the first good step in this video is to talk through how I came up with this list. So let's do it. Basically, this list, as I will go through over these series of videos, is a combination of values. And the way that I describe values is it's the criteria that you use to make decisions in your life. So there's particular ways that everyone is structured throughout the way that they were brought up and through life and all of these things. And it's what are the things that matter to you when you're making decisions, and how do you make decisions? So, to tell you a story, it began back when we were starting Greenbits. It was myself, it was Andrew, it was Ben. Maybe Matt was there? I don't remember exactly when this was. But in the engineering world, it was when we were about to hire our first non-founding engineer. And I got really nervous. Like super nervous, because I'm like, I've never done this before, and what if we hire someone that's a horrible culture fit? It took me down this road of like, what is culture? I spent like 2 weeks just investigating like what culture is, because in the Bay Area, a lot of people define culture as office perks. Like they have a Silicon Valley culture, means like you have catered lunches and snacks and pedal race cars. Yeah, that's really a thing. GoDaddy's office had those. They took them away from us though. But to me, culture is really the list of values. It's the way that you collectively want your organization to make decisions. And ideally, when you grow your organization to a large enough size, how they're gonna make decisions without you. I'm just realizing why my footage is overexposed because I have all these other lights on. Hold on. Better? I don't know, still seems a little bit weird. Anyways, when you get to a certain size, you want people to start making decisions without you being involved in every single freaking decision. Because that would be insane. That would be crazy. Like really crazy. Really crazy. That's what values are. So what I did is I sat down and I tried to solidify what it was that I actually cared about. And this is the list that I came up with. I wish I had all the different versions of it because it went through a lot of iteration. And of course, this wasn't just me. This was a collaboration with the other founders. I wrote the first draft and then we iterated on it from there. Here's where we ended up. Greenbit's values. There's like 10 or 11 or so. Do whatever it takes to win. We're building the best business in the world. Getting to this place and staying there is not easy. We have to be relentlessly focused on doing anything required to maintain this position, even if it's not in your job description. Number 2, do what's right for our customers. Our customers are our business. If they aren't happy, then we shouldn't be. We should always do what's in their best interest, even if that requires unpopular and non-scalable solutions. Number 3, trust. Our team does not work without complete trust. We must fully trust every member on our team. Without this, how could we possibly move faster than our competition? Number 4. Quick decision making. Quote, a good plan violently executed now is better than the perfect plan next week. End quote, by General George Patton. One of my favorite quotes, really was. We must focus when a decision is made more than what decision is made while being reckless to stay in, while not being reckless, that makes a lot more sense, while not being reckless to stay in front of our competition. Number 5, constantly improving ourselves, our team, and our business. We must constantly improve all of these things to ensure we stay ahead and deliver the best products possible to our customers. Don't accept the status quo, question it, improve it. Number 6-ish, because I kind of lost track. Nothing is impossible. Say that again. Nothing is impossible. We are building and leading a new industry. To continue doing this, we must never let ourselves believe that something cannot be done. We must always operate as if there are no limits. Transparency. We are not a business built on secrets. Honest communication enables us to learn from mistakes quickly and rally the team around important things. Collaboration. We have the best team in the world, and we will remain the best team in the world if we continually work together to solve problems for each other and our customers. Great ideas can come from anyone on the team, regardless of their title. Iterate to find the best solution. Start with the simplest solution that could possibly work, then keep improving it until it's the best solution possible. This way we can get solutions in place quickly and learn from our basic assumptions if the problems are correct or not. Don't reinvent the wheel. Chances are someone has already done the thing you are trying to do. Learn from them and improve rather than start from scratch. Automate everything. We should focus on ensuring that we are not spending our time repeating ourselves. Watch that one. Anything repeatable can be automated. Then we can focus on the important new things. That is all of the values. I will be going over each one of these in detail in videos. Let me know if there's any particular ones that you'd like me to go over first. These are Greenbit's company values, and as you could tell, they were worded in a way that was for a business. But these are my values. As you heard, automate and everything. Nothing is impossible. Like constantly improving, like that is me. That is what I love. That is what I'm trying to portray here and show you how to love also, or why you should love it. I don't know. I don't know. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if there's any particular values that you guys want to see first. Drop them in the comments, and let's continue crushing this year, guys. It's almost February. Yeah!